Next one, rational numbers. Before we learn fraction numbers. Fraction numbers means a part of the whole, a part of the group, that is called fraction. Fractions are three types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. And we learn decimal numbers. Decimal numbers means a number has a decimal point. That numbers are called decimal numbers. Rational numbers means a number in the p by q form. Any number in the p by q form. Here p comma q both are integers. Both are integers. And the denominator q not equal to 0. That numbers are called rational numbers. For example, 2, denominator is 1. 3, denominator is 2. Minus 3 by 2. Or 4 by minus 5. Numerator and denominator both are integers. But 3 by 0 is not possible. That is not a rational number. Because the numerator is not divided by 0. Always divided by 0 is not defined. So this is not a rational number. These are examples of rational numbers. Every fraction is a rational number. Rational numbers are a number can be expressed in the p by q form, where both p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called rational number. Rational numbers are set of q equal to set of p by q. P and q are integers belongs to z and q not equal to 0. For example, integers, fractions, p by q form, decimal numbers, terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals also rational numbers. Okay students, do you understand? Rational numbers can be either in the form of terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. Terminating decimals means the decimal part, the number of digits is finite, that is called terminating decimals. In the decimal part, the digits are end or finite, that is called terminating decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimal. In the decimal part, the number of digits are repeated again and again, not end. So infinite of digits are repeated, that are called non-terminating recurring decimals. Every rational number can be represented on a number line. Every rational number is represented on the number line. Rational numbers, terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals also represent on the number line. Next one, property of density. What is property of density? For example, how many natural numbers between 2 and 7? How many natural numbers between 2 and 7? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 natural numbers between 2 and 7. How many integers between 3 and 2? 3 and 5? Only one. 4. 4 is the integer between 3 and 5. But how many rational numbers between 1 and 2? 1 and 2. So many rational numbers. For example, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.89, 1.899, 1.89999. So many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. That is called density property of the rational numbers. Next one, 1 by a is called multiplicative inverse of a. Here condition is a not equal to 0. So additive inverse plus a, additive inverse minus a is the additive inverse of plus a, and reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a 1 by a is a, but condition is a not equal to 0.